Effective way to prevent leg cramps. Leg cramps can strike out of the blue and cause excruciating pain. It can last for less than a minute or torture you for much longer. Many people suffer from leg cramps primarily at night. It occurs due to involuntary contractions or spasms of the muscles in your legs. It can affect the calf muscles, thigh muscles, and even involve the hamstrings and quadriceps. Leg cramps can attack anyone, including both children and adults, but pregnant women and the elderly may be more prone to it. You are also more likely to suffer from lower leg cramps if you do exercises that rely heavily on the leg muscles, such as recreational running, weight training using the legs, or sports that require a lot of running. Other risk factors include nutritional deficiencies, muscle fatigue, dehydration, alcoholism, kidney failure, thyroid issues, type 2 diabetes, vascular disease, being overweight, imbalance of electrolytes, circulatory problems, hormonal imbalance, neural disorders, and restless legs syndrome. Leg cramps can be very painful and often occur suddenly, but they may give warning signs like tingling and twitching of the muscles before you feel the abrupt pain. Other symptoms include swelling and soreness in the affected area. Also, when having the cramp, you may not be able to move your leg. If you experience leg cramps, you can alleviate the pain and even prevent the problem with some lifestyle changes and home remedies. Here is the best instant home remedy for leg cramps. To combat leg cramps, apple cider vinegar is also effective. It is rich in minerals like potassium that help reduce the frequency, intensity, and pain of leg cramps. Plus, apple cider vinegar helps control the fluid balances in the body, thus preventing dehydration, a common cause of leg cramps. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey, half a glass of warm water. To prevent leg cramps, mix 1 teaspoon each of apple cider vinegar and honey in half a glass of warm water. Drink this solution daily before going to bed to prevent the problem. Tips: eating fermented foods can help ease painful leg cramps. Drinking sports drinks with electrolytes can be useful in preventing the problem. To improve blood circulation and prevent leg cramps, take 1 tablespoon of brewer's yeast per day. Being low in B vitamins can also increase cramps. Get more B vitamins by eating eggs, grass-fed meat, fish, whole grains, and legumes. Stay away from alcohol, as it can cause dehydration, a common cause of leg cramps. Drinking a glass of warm milk before going to sleep is an effective way to prevent leg cramps. Drinking ginger tea, chamomile tea, or raspberry tea also works as an excellent leg cramp remedy. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family too.